dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Unless the last train stops here.
Well, maybe.
As we head into the American wilderness, we'll pass by the dusty desert town of Tumbleweed. And keep your eyes peeled for the runaway mine trains of Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Runaway trains. Now I ask you, is that any way to run a railroad?
Hey, look, Logan, we were on that ride.
I feel right at home.
We were on that ride.
Nowadays, the rails can carry us 72 miles. Now we made it in just a few weeks. There's plenty of deer, antelope, and elk that feed along the banks of the river. And naturally, plenty of early settlers decided to put down stakes and live here too. Of course, those early settlers weren't the first to make their home in this wild frontier. These native tribes of Plains Indians were living, hunting, and trading for centuries before we ever came along. They were the first to take the wild horses of the American plains, long before our big iron horses started chugging through these parts.
What are those?
They were like Indian huts.
They're Indian huts, Logan. Are they real?
Yeah.
There used to be an Indian hut. Is there? Are they real?
Look at it, guys. It's a whole camp. Not sure.
That is one gross looking
Swamp?
We're almost out of the woods, folks. We're coming up on the most magical of lands, Fantasyland. A place where any dream can come true. Fly over London with Peter Pan. Set sail on It's a Small World. Take a trip under the sea with the Little Mermaid. Be our guest at an enchanted feast in the Beast's Castle. Or journey into the Seven Dwarfs Mine, where 1,000,000 diamonds shine. Whether you're a pixie, a princess, or just an everyday dreamer, there's always something special about Fantasyland.
sometimes green, sometimes dark green looks like
If you've been riding trains as long as this old timer, you may remember the days when the circus would come to town on the local railway. Well, the circus is here. It's set up permanent headquarters as the Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is the place to fly high with Dumbo, or join Goofy on the Barnstormer, a rollicking ride of circus acrobatics and coaster thrills. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your belongings and carry your strollers away from the platform before you start unfolding them. That way we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those of you disembarking, please watch your step. And thanks for traveling with us on the Walt Disney World Railroad.
I want to
As we close the station, remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. And I give the 2 words of all clear, letting you know that it's safe to stand up and disembark from this train. Once again, I'll give you those 2 words of all clear. Once I give you those words, I will ask all guests to please disembark from this train. Once again, this is our last stop. So once I give you that all clear, we are going to ask all guests to disembark from this train as the Walt Disney World Railroad is now closed. And we wish you to enjoy the rest of the park while it is still open. Remain seated. Remain aboard the train. We're almost